Hello guys, now we started conversion of weeks into years. Okay, what conversion of weeks into years? Okay, yeah. So what was the first? The first one is that first thing, you all know that 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. How many weeks in 1 year? I think that you all know that 1 year is equals to 52 weeks. Okay, yeah. 52 weeks is in 1 year. So when we converted weeks into year, then we have only do one thing, that was that only divided by 52. You only have to remember the one thing, that is that only divided it by 52. Okay, yeah. So now we can do some examples. Yeah, number one is 104 weeks into years. Converted 104 weeks into years. So all you know that 52 weeks is equals to 1 year. So 1 week is equal to 1 upon 52 year. Okay. When 52 weeks is in 1 year, 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. So 1 week is equal to 1 upon 52 year, and 104 week is equal to 104 upon 52 year. Okay. Very simple. Only I say that you have to do only one thing, that was it, that only you can divide it by 52. What? Only divided by 52 when you converted a week into years. Only do one thing, that is that divided by 52. So when we divided 52, okay, 104 upon 52. Now we divided it 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 and 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26. Okay, yeah. So what is the answer? The answer is 2 years. Okay, so now I think that you all know that 104 weeks is equals to 2 year. When 52 week 1 year, 1 week 1 upon 52 year, 104 week equals to 1 upon 4, 104 upon 52 years. Okay, that means 2 year. Okay, yeah. Now next, the next one is that 208 weeks into years. So you all know 52 week is equals to 1 year. So 1 week is equal to 1 upon 52. Okay, yeah. So 208 week is equals to 208 upon 52. 208 upon 52. Okay, yeah. Now we divided it 2. 26. 2 1 ja 2 10 ja 20, 2 4 ja 8. Again 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, and 13 4 ja 52. Okay, what? 13 4 ja 52. Okay, yeah. So when we divided 208 by 52, what is the answer? The answer is 4. Okay, so 4 is also our answer, 4 years. Okay, yeah. When we converted 208 weeks into years, then our answer is 4 years. What? Our answer is 4 year. Okay, yeah. The next you have to do in your worksheet, number 1, 258 weeks into year. 258 weeks into year. Okay, so you all do this example in your worksheet. How can do this? You can do this, as you all know 52 week is equal to 1 year. So 1 week is equal to 1 upon 52 year, and 252 weeks is equals to 252 upon 258 upon 52. As I said that you have to do only one thing, and that was that only on divided by 52. Okay, yeah. 258 upon 52. What is the answer? That is also our answer is in year. Okay, next 359 weeks into years. Do in your worksheet. Okay, only one thing to remember, that divided by 52. Okay, your answer is in year. Okay, thank you.